Hello everyone, welcome to the market outlook this Monday morning. Gaurang Shah here from Geojit Financial Services, and as I speak to all of you all this Monday morning at around about 10:45, markets holding out well in the green. First day of the week. Before I go any further, let me give you certain levels on the Sensex, Nifty, Bank Nifty, Rupee Dollar equation, and of course crude oil. So Sensex is up about 270 points, and the level is 73,350. Nifty is up 105 points, 22,250 is the level on Nifty spot. Bank Nifty 180 points up, 47,750 is the level on Bank Nifty or Nifty Bank. Rupee dollar equation, the rupee is at about 83.42 with a strength of 0.05 paise on the rupee against the dollar. And on the crude oil front, after a systematic uptick, we have seen some cool off. Basically on fallback of the news flows that we've had with the geopolitical situation between Iran and Israel. Brent is at about $86.58 per barrel, and NYMEX is at about $82.45 to a barrel. Expect a gradual downtick as far as crude oil prices are concerned. De-escalation not really coming out in terms of negative news flows, and of course the concern with respect to the demand and supply are the primary reasons why we believe that we could possibly see lower levels on the crude oil front, especially with respect to the geopolitical situation and the developments over there. As de-escalation and a reasonable lower collateral damage is the view that one can have as of now. Of course, very difficult to predict these kind of situation in terms of outcome, but let us hope that the wisdom prevails and there is reasonably de-escalation and a lower collateral damage. For the markets, friends, I think when we spoke last week, we had maintained a view on the downward bias, but the breach of certain levels has actually opened up further downside, and there could be a range bound movement on the markets, upside being restricted to about 22,400, 22,500 on the Nifty spot, and downward bias being 22,000 on the Nifty spot, with a plus minus 50-60 points range. In terms of the earnings season, it has been a positive earnings season, and our sense is that we should possibly see a better color and shade as far as the earnings is concerned, and not too much of negativity. Elections and the turnout that we have witnessed in whatever states the voting has been done is something that can throw in a lot of positivity. But overall for the markets, I think a range bound trade is something that you will have to watch out for. Stock specific, on the earnings front, you will have a little bit of positivity depending upon what the numbers have to tell us, but definitely something that we should be positive in terms of earnings, not only for the last financial year fourth quarter, but also for the new financial year that has just started off. As always, we've been advising on stock specific ideas. We have two of them today, more from consumption and again from the banking universe. If you have to look at the HDFC numbers, well, that tells you the kind of possibility that is likely to unfold. So two names today. First one is a public sector bank, PNB, known as Punjab National Bank. Great turnaround in terms of numbers reported for the third quarter. We have not yet seen the fourth quarter numbers. We will possibly see fourth quarter numbers very soon from PNB. But there has been tremendous amount of improvement as far as gross and net NPs are concerned, and that is likely to possibly take us to the next level in terms of profitability and lower provisioning. There was a concern with the loan book exposure to vulnerable sectors, but that is also kind of panned out pretty well. So the first investment idea, friends, is a public sector bank, PNB, Punjab National Bank, and the second one is a rather a well-known name for most of us. Comes from the uh, uh, new avatar category or new age technology, uh, Zomato Limited. So this company Zomato not only charges platform fee on the food app that they have, but it also charges delivery charges for Zomato Gold members. Uh, Earnings is likely to have a visibly positive impact, and the contribution from Blinkit is going to take the stock to the next level. Fundamentally, we have coverage on Zomato. Even when the IPO was there some time back, we had come out with an IPO note and we had maintained a subscribe on the IPO, and post that, of course, we maintained a positive view on the stock. Uh, don't expect any miracle to happen in these two stocks, at least in the short to medium term. But on the fundamental side, our sense is that we have good visibility on the earnings front, and that will possibly take the earnings and support the stock price as well. Uh, Needless to say, these are fundamental ideas, so you need to have 12, 18 months plus kind of time horizon. Don't rush in and buy at one time. Market will give you opportunities to add to these stocks at lower level, given the uncertainty in the immediate short to medium term. Thank you very much for your patience hearing, and I'll see you again next week. Till then, please take care of yourself. Bye bye.